great privilege and honor to be part of the solidarity of grief at the passing of Nelson Mandela. I am honored to be here as President of Ireland and to speak on behalf of the European Union, and to say that from 1990 and far before, but in 1990 when he visited all of the capitals of Europe, Nelson Mandela breathed a breath of courage that was informed by an immense moral conviction, a moral conviction built in prison, sustained in struggle, offers of personal liberation rejected in favor of the people. It was a transcendent view that saw a future not just for South Africa, but after he had served his people in South Africa so well, went again and again to all of our different countries, and to speak about the unrealized possibilities of our humanity, speaking about HIV/AIDS, speaking about poverty, speaking about needless illnesses, needless losses of life, needless breaches of dignity, reminding us that as well, all the possibilities of putting the stamp of humanity on our economics, on our trade, on our relationships with each other, on our diplomacy and our international relations, should be based on a common recognition of dignity. And that, as he said in setting out on his struggle, that the apartheid system was neither inevitable nor was it acceptable. In the same way the challenges we're called upon now to face together are neither inevitable, and yes, they can be changed. And his vision of putting the stamp of humanity on all of our affairs, shared with each other, still remains. Surely the best way. I think with all our efforts, his legacy will live forever, because his spirit will inform all those who are not only struggling for freedom, but those who have achieved some freedom, but have freedoms from hunger and illness and insecurity to achieve the end. His legacy will live forever by our best efforts, our best tribute to the memory of Nelson Mandela is to be able to do what he did, to have a moral conviction of possibilities in the future not yet realized, to have the courage to change, the courage to remain flexible, and the courage to bring the creativity that is in a diverse way through all our cultures to bear on the definition of our relations with each other, in economics, and above all in ethics, and that we are called together to work in an ethical solidarity to face the challenges our fragile planet faces, to do so together. So let us honor him. Let us he will always be remembered. But we are called to honor him by our actions, and we are all to honor by what we say to the generations that will follow us. All I can say in conclusion, as we say in our own ancient language, square. In Ireland, when he visited, on the 3 occasions I